morning, everybody. Sorry, I went to bed with my head wet, which is probably a big mistake because I have woke up with a sore throat. I'm sneezing like crazy. My eyes are itchy and watery. Spring is here. I tell you what, I don't feel sick. I hate the itchy, watery eyes. I hate the sneezing. And I'm not talking to sneeze here and sneeze there. I'm talking like 5 or 6 in a row. Have a break for a few minutes and then 5 or 6 more. And it's just, oh my goodness. Anyway, not that y'all tuned in to hear me complain about sneezing and a sore throat. And I'm so sorry. My eye is really itching. We woke up to tornado watch till 10 a.m. The weather is really nasty. It was so windy and rainy. James had to go into work today because he missed Monday. So he's at work today, which I hate it, but I wouldn't be going anywhere anyway because I do not feel good. And I had so many plans today, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do any of them. I'm just going to do like the basics. I got a load of laundry going now. I don't know where the laundry come from all of a sudden, but when Buster wakes up, he's still asleep, I got to strip the bed and wash my sheets and put them back on. I know I have other sets of sheets that I could put on, but I love those sheets. And so I usually will just wash the sheets and put them right back on. So I've got to do that. I'm just going to straighten the house up. We've got some of the kids are coming over tomorrow. It's going to be beautiful this weekend. It's supposed to be. And it was the boys, the twins. Birthday was actually Thursday, St. Patrick's Day. So they're coming over Saturday some point. And we're going to grill and just hang out. And I'm going to go get them a birthday cake and just spend time with them. When your kids are grown and they all have their own lives, which is wonderful. That's what that means you've done your job. They're doing what you raised them to do, to be independent, self-sufficient. So we're proud. But when they're grown and on their own and have their own lives, you just get together when you can, when it works out for them. And I think Saturday is going to be the day it's going to work out for them to come over. So I'm so excited about that. I love when they get here and they get to go, and it's so much fun. They keep their daddy on his toes. They give him a hard time, and I love it. They give me a hard time too, but they give him more of a hard time. But I'm excited for that. So I want to kind of get the house straight. There's no sense in me like cleaning, deep cleaning or anything like that because the weather's so nasty. I really need to mop my floors, but there's no sense in that. I'll probably just do that Monday because the ground's going to be so wet and nasty, and it will just kind of defeat the purpose, especially with them being here and in and out, and then we're going to be out back grilling and stuff. So I'll just probably save all that for Monday. Thank y'all for your comments so far on the video with the risers. I have so much scrap wood out in that garage, and I want to make some more because I have some other like paint and stain techniques I want to try, and Lord knows I don't need them, but I got 4 girls that have their own homes, fixing to be 5, so I can like distribute them out. So that's my plan, but I feel a sneeze coming on, or 5. Anyway, that's what's going on so far. I don't even know that I'm really going to put any makeup on because I'm honestly thinking about, I told James, I was like, only thing I really have that I can take is Benadryl. Well, Benadryl's going to knock me flat on my butt. And he says, and I'm like, well, first of all, I have so much I need to do. need/want to do. And I will not be able to if I take some Benadryl. And plus I feel guilty, like when he's having to work and I'm here at home, like sleeping or whatever. I just feel so guilty. He doesn't make me feel that way. I make me feel that way. So anyway, I may see what else I have. I know I don't have anything else up in the cabinet because I went through our little medicine deal not too long ago, and I know I don't have anything. But anyway, that's what's going on today. Trying to think. Yeah, I'm just doing laundry. I got a couple dishes in the sink I need to wash up. The house isn't really that bad, so it'll be all right. It'll be okay if I don't get everything done, but I also want to craft, but I really don't have anything to make because I don't have any more little legs for the risers. So I need to wait. And I was going to go to Hobby Lobby last night and buy some, but I was like, gas is just too high just to go for that. So I will do that whenever I'm intentionally going that way for other reasons. I will just combine it all. That's what I'm trying to do. It's just combine trips and all that. So anyway, I'm going to get up. I heard my washer just click off. I'm going to swap over some laundry. And when Buster wakes up, I'm going to strip my beds. And I'm going to make me a cup of coffee. And we'll see what the day holds. I doubt I put any makeup on today, just because I don't feel like it. And with my eyes being so itchy, watery, I just probably won't. I don't know. I may. You just never know. Here I am just rambling. Anyway, I'll touch base with you in just a little bit. got in trouble for not having you in the last video. I know. What you gonna say about that? You got anything to say about that? No? You wanna go outside? Come on. Let's go. Come on. It is the afternoon. Yes, I'm still in my robe, but this is a different robe because I had to wash my other robe because I spilled my coffee all over it when I was drinking my coffee this morning. Thank goodness it was just on the robe and it didn't burn me, so that's a plus. So got the house clean as I'm going to get it. I did get all the laundry done. My bed is made up now. And James has gotten home and he is going to go get whatever he's going to cook tomorrow for when the boys come over. And yours truly is fixing to go soak in a hot bath. And then when I get out, I'm taking me 2 Benadryls and I'm passing out because I feel terrible. But I will be able to rest knowing that the house is clean. And James is cooking me dinner tonight. He is going to do some blackened tilapia and rice pilaf, and that is going to be dinner tonight. It's so good. And if y'all are interested in that, I will try to get him to show you how he makes that in a future video. It's so good. It's very simple, quick, easy. And the rice pilaf is just the Rice-A-Roni brand. We follow the directions on the box. But it's a very satisfying meal, and it's very filling, you know. So that is going to do it for me today. I hope this video motivates you to kind of get on up and get those chores tackled and get it out of the way so you can enjoy your weekend. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all. Buster, you gonna say bye to everybody? Bye, y'all.